Welcome to the Virginia Automated Permitting System, also known as EasyHaul user tutorial videos. This video will guide you through the steps for submitting a route survey as a customer at easyhaulvirginia.com. This and other tutorial videos can be found on the login page via the user tutorial videos link. Permits for large loads in Virginia may require a route survey. Route surveys are only valid for a height of the permit or when a new restriction makes the route unusable. If a new route survey is needed, the route survey form will be emailed to you, if email was chosen as the delivery method. Please take note the permit ID and route survey number on the form, as it will be needed to upload the completed form to EasyHaul. To print an additional copy of the route survey form at a later time, click the Route Survey link in the administrative panel and click the PDF icon to reprint. The route will already be populated on the form. Once the authorized route survey is completed, you will need to upload the form and any supporting documents provided by the route survey company to EasyHaul for the permit office to approve. To upload the documentation, click the Route Survey link in the administrative panel on the company dashboard. Locate the route survey number and click the Upload icon. The Add Route Survey Document window will be displayed. The Upload icon will only be available until a document has been uploaded. Once a document has been uploaded to the route survey, additional documentation cannot be added. All supporting documentation should be scanned together in one file. The Actions column shows a document icon. The document confirms the file has been successfully uploaded. Once the documents have been uploaded, the route survey is submitted to the permit office. Upon permit office review and approval, you will receive an email from EasyHaul stating the route survey has been approved. Please note that if you choose web download as your primary delivery method, you will not receive this email. Once VDOT has approved the permit, it can be paid for by the start date from the shopping cart. Verify the permits listed for payment are those that were selected for purchase. Click the Checkout button to continue the payment process, or click the Cancel button to return to the company dashboard. The payment information screen will be displayed. And this concludes the EasyHaul user tutorial video on submitting a route survey as a customer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget more videos are always available for your convenience.